Hello friends all over the world. Now this is Satoshi BTCs. Have you start money or you have not heard about Satoshi BTCs? This is the second Bitcoin. Satoshi BTCs mean BTCs mean BTC plus Satoshi. It is called Satoshi plus. This is the advanced Bitcoin. We say if you meet Bitcoin, don't miss BTCs. If you miss BTC, don't miss BTCs. And it's also labeled as the biggest surprise of 2020. Now, if you want to locate or download your BTC Satoshi app, go to your Play Store. Currently, it's not supported by Apple. It is only for Android users. And it is not supported by system or computer. Now when you go to your Play Store, search for Satoshi, then search. This is your Satoshi app. Download it. As you can see, I've already downloaded. When you download, you log in. Because I'm going to be dropping the link on my description box below. Now, when you after registration, just download. When you download, you will do your face verification. It is only face verification that's required for now. Then you click on the middle icon to track all your mining platform and mining system. My brother and sister, what are you waiting for? This is a big opportunity for 2022, and it is also labeled as the biggest surprise of 2022. Start mining your Satoshi BTCs. It will change your future. It will change your career. And your born children will be happy. People are taking this for granted. Start mining now. When you need any question or any answer, please drop your question at the description or at the comment box below, and I will give you a feedback. Start mining. There is no time. Mining stop December 12, 2022. What are you waiting for? This is the second BTCs. If you miss this BTCs, you will regret later.